How to check if a company has been registered on Rev360 or not. Before you waste time trying to register a company on Rev360, have you checked if that company already exists on the portal? Many people make this mistake and end up confused because the business information is already there. In today's video, I will be showing you how to quickly check if a company has been registered on Rev360 or not. Welcome to CAC Business Registration Nigeria Sholadrim 247. This channel is dedicated to helping business owners, entrepreneurs, CAC agents and professionals under CAC registration, Rev360, tax promos, and other business compliance processes. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to verify if a particular company is already registered on Rev360 before you proceed with any action. Here is a disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational purpose only. The information shared is to help our community and users understand how to navigate the Rev360 portal and business compliance processes. Always confirm your specific situation with the relevant authority or a qualified professional. With that being said, let's go straight into it. Before checking, you need to understand why this step is important. Sometimes, a company may already have its tax profile created on Rev360, especially if it has been migrated from the previous system known as tax promos, or already processed through the required registration channels. Trying to create another profile for the same company can create unnecessary issue. So to give a better understanding to the question that I had received from many people, that how can I know if a particular company is registered on Rev360 already? I will be showing you that in this video. I will be taking you through it step by step. So let's go straight into it. Before you can be able to check if a particular company has been registered on Rev360, you will be needing the RC number of that company if it is a company, and if it is a business, you'll be needing the BN number of that particular business registration. And if it is an IT, you will be needing the IT number. The IT number I'm saying here is the numbers that is on that particular company CAC registration. So all you need to do is for you to come to your Chrome browser and type service.nrs.gov.ng. Once you type it, it will pop up some options for you. Click on the first one that is showing, then it will load up and take you down to this particular interface. So once you get to this interface, you cancel this. You click on this X button to cancel this particular page, and then it will display this main page for you. Then what you need to do is to come to create new account. Once you click on this create new account, it will take you here where we are going to see corporate, individuals, non-resident, free trade zone. So for this video, we'll be using corporate. Corporate means any kind of business, company, NGO that is legally registered with CAC. So you click on this corporate, it will load up the next interface for you, where it will need you to choose so as to know if the registration you want to make verification about is a company, enterprise, incorporated trustees, or limited liability partnership or limited partnership. Any one of these options, that's what you are verifying about, is you pick it. Then it will take you down to this place where you need to click on this place where you have RC number. You click on it and paste the RC number of that particular company. So once you paste it, you look up at the upper part of your system or at the upper part of your phone. You are going to see what is going to display for you. You paste the RC number and click on verify your CAC details. Once you click on verify your CAC details, you look at the upper parts of that particular page where you are. It will display something like this: company already exists in the database. So if you are seeing something like this, it means that company has already registered either on tax promos or on Rev360. Let's look at another company. Come here and paste. Then you click on verify. Here you can see it. This also says company already exists in the database. Let's check another company. Let's click on company, then you paste the RC number of that particular company and click on verify your CAC details. So you can see it says CAC details found, but if you look at the left hand side of this page, it says missing email, and the notification you have on your yellow box here where my arrow is pointing to read that this company does not have a valid email. Kindly go to CAC to have your email address updated before you can proceed. So I've made a video where I explain about how you can go about this particular stuff if you come across it while registering your company, NGO or business. So try to make sure you check out that video, or you drop missing email in the comment section so as for me to be able to guide you on what to do. If you're having this kind of issue, feel free to use the link in the description to reach out to me so as to get it fixed for you if you don't know how to go about it. But for those who might want to check it out themselves, all you need to do is to go to use your CAC post incorporation portal to fix this. And if you also need an agent portal for your post incorporation service, use the link in the description to reach out to me. Let's check another company. Paste the RC number and click on verify your CAC details. You can see what this one says: CAC details found. Once it shows you this particular notification, it means that particular company has not been registered on the Rev360 portal, neither has it been registered on tax promos before now. When you see this CAC details found, it means you can go ahead and register that particular company. So that is what it simply means. So this is how you know if that particular company needs to still register, or what they need is migration, or what they need is password reset link. With this explanation, I hope this video helped you understand how to check if a company has already been registered on Rev360 or not. Let me know in the comment section, have you ever tried to register a company and later discovered it was already on the portal? Welcome once again. I am Deborah Rafiu, the owner and the brain behind Rev360. 7. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.